Welcome back! I'm Chloe, your teacher, and today we're opening a door that basically unlocks French conversation, the verb être, to be. If you can use être, you can start saying who you are, who someone is, and what something is.
Hi, Chloe. I'm Devendra. I've seen être everywhere, but it changes so much that I get lost.
Totally normal. Today, we'll make it simple. Subject pronouns plus the correct form of être in the present tense. And we'll practice pronunciation, because French spelling can look scary, but the sounds are consistent once you know the rules.
Great. Can we start with the pronouns?
Yes. In English, we say I, you, he, she, we, you, they. In French, the common subject pronouns are je, meaning I, tu, meaning you informal, singular, il, meaning he, it, masculine, elle, meaning she, it, feminine, nous, meaning we, vous, meaning you formal or plural, ils, meaning they masculine or mixed group, and elles, meaning they feminine group.
So il and elle can both mean it?
Exactly. French nouns have grammatical gender, so it becomes il or elle depending on the noun. But today we'll mainly use them for people.
How do I distinguish il and elle when listening? Sometimes they sound similar.
Great question. Il is pronounced like il, very short, like il. Elle is like elle. The difference is the vowel, e versus e. Let's do it. Il, meaning il, elle, meaning elle.
Il, elle. Okay, I can hear it when you exaggerate a little.
Perfect. Now the present tense conjugation of être. I'll say the pronoun, then the French form, then the English meaning. Ready?
Ready.
Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are.
I recognize je suis from somewhere.
Yes, it's extremely common. Now let's focus on pronunciation, because that's where confidence comes from.
Please.
Je suis. The S in suis is not pronounced like an English S at the end. It's more like suis. Many beginners say suis. Try to keep it one beat, suis.
Je suis?
Nice. Je suis. Also, je often sounds like je, kind of like je. So together, je suis, je suis.
Je suis. Okay.
Next, tu es. The U in tu is not tu. It's a tight French U sound, like oo. For English speakers, it's like saying E with rounded lips. Tu. Tu? Yes, that's closer. Tu es. And in fast speech, tu es often links smoothly.
And A, do we pronounce the S?
Excellent. No. A is pronounced like eh. So tu es sounds like tu es.
Tu es, tu es.
Great. Now, il est and elle est. Here's a key silent letter rule. The T in S is silent, so S is pronounced like eh. Same sound as S.
Wait, tu es and il est and the same?
They sound very similar at the end, yes. Context and the pronoun help. You'll hear il est, meaning il est, and elle est, meaning elle est. Try both.
Il est,
Elle est, il est, elle est. Perfect. Now, nous sommes. This one is fun. Sommes is pronounced like some. The final ms isn't fully pronounced like in English, so it's not sums s. Exactly. It's more like nous sommes. Try nous sommes. Nous sommes. Good. Nous is often pronounced new. The s is silent. Next, vous êtes. Vous is vous, like vous. Et has a little accent. Is a clear sound, and the final s is silent. Ets is pronounced et. It ends with a spoken T.
Wait, the T is pronounced in ets, but not in S?
Exactly. That's why pronunciation practice matters. S ends with silent T. Ets ends with pronounced T. So, vous êtes, vous êtes.
Vous êtes.
Nice. And now the plural. Ils sont and elles sont. Some is pronounced son, like a nasal vowel on. The final T is silent.
Nasal vowels are hard.
They take time. For now, approximate son as son through the nose. Ils sommes, elles sont, elles sont. Excellent. Now we'll hit objective number 2, building at least 6 simple sentences using être. We'll keep the sentences universal. Think airport, hotel, restaurant. Things anyone can use.
Great, I travel a lot.
Sentence 1, about yourself. Je suis Devendra. That means I am Devendra. Repeat.
Je suis Devendra.
Perfect. Sentence 2, about yourself in a simple identity role. No professions today. We'll save that for later modules. Je suis un client, meaning I am a customer. At a restaurant or hotel desk, that can be helpful.
Je suis un client.
Great. Sentence 3, speaking to one person informally. Tu es mon ami. That means you are my friend.
Tu es mon ami.
Nice. Sentence 4, about someone else. Il est ici, meaning he is here. Very useful when meeting a group in a lobby.
Il est ici.
Sentence 5, feminine subject pronoun. Elle est prête. That means she is ready. Notice elle tells us we're talking about a female person.
Elle est prête.
Good. Sentence 6, plural we. Nous sommes à l'hôtel, meaning we are at the hotel. The à here is at.
Nous sommes à l'hôtel.
Excellent. Let's add 2 more for extra fluency. Sentence 7, formal or plural you. Vous êtes en retard, meaning you are late. This could be formal to one person or plural to a group.
Vous êtes en retard. And I hear that pronounced like vous êtes.
Exactly. Sentence 8, plural they. Ils sont dans le hall, meaning they are in the lobby. And if it's only women, elles sont dans le hall. Both mean they are in the lobby.
Ils sont dans le hall. Elles sont dans le hall.
Great. Now, objective 3, distinguishing masculine and feminine subject pronouns in spoken and written French. In writing, it's straightforward. Il is spelled I-L. Elle is E-L-L-E. Plurals. Ils ends with an S in writing, and elles ends with ES.
But you said a lot of final letters are silent. So do ils and elles sound the same?
Often, yes. Ils and elles are both commonly pronounced like il and elle at the start, and the S is silent. The main audible difference is the pronoun itself. Ils starts with the il sound, elles starts with the L sound.
So I should train my ear for il versus elle.
Exactly. And in real French, you'll also hear linking between words, called liaison, but we'll keep it light today. Just know vous êtes often sounds like there's a Z between them, vous êtes.
That's helpful.
Now, objective 4, applying correct pronunciation, including silent letters. Quick recap of the silent letter highlights from today. In S and E, the final consonant is silent. Both end up sounding like E. In sont, the final T is silent and the vowel is nasal. In sommes, we don't pronounce the ending like English. Keep it compact, some.
And et ends with a pronounced T.
Exactly. Great memory. Let's do a mini drill. I'll say English, you say French.
Okay.
I am here. Use je.
Je suis ici. That's I am here.
Perfect. You are ready. Informal. Tu es prêt. Nice. If you're speaking to a woman, you'd often hear tu es prête with an extra written E. We'll go deeper into adjective agreement later, but good awareness.
Got it.
We are at the airport. Use nous.
Nous sommes à l'aéroport.
Excellent. They are at the restaurant. Use ils.
Ils sont au restaurant.
Great. Your sont is getting more nasal.
I'm trying to push the sound into my nose.
Exactly the right strategy. Now, one more thing. Basic sentence structure for self-identification. In French, the simplest pattern is subject pronoun plus form of être plus identity info. For example, je suis Devendra or Elle est ici. So it's very similar to English order. Yes, which is great for beginners. The main challenge is choosing the correct verb form and pronouncing it naturally.
I feel less overwhelmed now.
That's the goal. And if you're learning with Langmitra, this is a perfect lesson to practice out loud with a friend or family member. One person says the pronoun, the other says the correct être form. Quick, fun, and it builds automaticity. I can do that, like I say nous and they respond sommes. Exactly. Before we wrap up, let's do the full conjugation once together, rhythm style. Repeat after me. Je suis.
Je suis.
Tu es.
Tu es.
Il est.
Il est.
Elle est.
Elle est.
Nous sommes.
Nous sommes.
Vous êtes.
Vous êtes.
Ils sont.
Ils sont.
Elles sont.
Elles sont.
Beautiful. That's your foundation for identity statements in French. Keep these forms close. Say them in the shower, on a walk, or while waiting in line at an airport.
Thanks, Chloe. This feels like a real building block.
It truly is. Keep practicing, and remember you're not learning alone. You're part of the Langmitra community, one small sentence at a time. See you in the next episode.
Before we recap, one quick ask. What worked for you in this lesson? What felt hard? And what topic should we teach next? Drop it in the comments. Your feedback shapes what we build next.
One language sets you in a corridor for life. Learn language with podcast. Subscribe.